Alright, come on, let's get going. Come on. Contact. Bro, get on your fucking bike. Come on. Stop moaning! You scare the horses. We can't afford.
Oh yeah, them two are banging. Let's just go and get scared. Can I please have a go on the block?
No, you can't. In a bit.
In a bit, yeah.
Yeah, when I have to go down to AJ. No, I will. Alright, you ready? Fucking editor, put some music on. Alright. Bro, let's just bike. Come on. In a minute. Come on, let's just. Down to the park. Come on. Park. Maybe. If you're nice. If you're nice. To be fair, you did set me up with Winnie, so. He got me hugs, guys. Yeah, that is like true friendship, though. We'll slow down to wait for the bros. Right, so this is like new style of video, guys. I got a bike strap for my phone. Bike videos coming out soon. Where are you going? Wrong way. Hold on, I've got to go down to the curb bit to do a U-turn on my e-bike. Yes, it's electric. Yes, I don't get exercise. Yes, my friend set me up with a crush of mine. Cody, where'd you go? Oh, you're over here. I will keep slowing down because Cody's taking ages. Middle. Right. Hold on, I think my recording stopped. Never mind, it's just notification. Why you gotta slow down? Just nearly rear-ended you. Really? I keep having to. Cody wrecked his bike. What the fuck are you doing?
What?
You just keep cutting me up, mate.
Well, you should be looking where you're going.
Bet, meet you at park. Here he fucking comes. Just go do a few laps of the fields. This is why I love having an e-bike. Because I can have fucking e-numbers on my e-bike. No! Yeah, but I don't know if she like wants to be with me though. No, because when Annabelle asked if we were dating, I said yes, and she did an awkward nod.
Yeah, that's because she always tries to break up. That's the main job.
What?
That's the main job. She tries to break up people.
I ain't fucking dating her if she's so break. I brought her a brownie.
No, Annabelle does.
Oh, Annabelle. But no, she kept telling me that I'm lucky. I fucking know I'm lucky. How long have I had a crush on her for?
Yeah.
Yeah, to be fair, the whole time at high school, which is not even a year yet. Yeah, 3 months actually. 3. A term and a few weeks. Fine.
Yes!
I'm gonna put you in eco though, so you don't go flying into the fucking trees. Do you know how it works? So
Yeah, you have to pull the throttle. The brakes are there.
this is back, this is front. Don't go head over handlebars. Alright, go on then. Put my rubbish in the bin. If I turn around and you're on the floor. Oh, he isn't. He's actually. I'm not going to get that bike back, am I? You're right, Cody! Your helmet! Safety first. Your helmet! Slow down! Your helmet! Helmet throw and try to land on your head.
No. Alright. Put it on me then.
Bro, you can't even.
Once I get
Bro,
going.
I can't touch the ground.
Once I get going, put my helmet on, please.
Fine, last go. Right. If you die, it's not my fault. What? Oh, fuck me. He's on his phone recording while riding. He's going to fall off, isn't he? He's going to fall off. Well, you know, might as well take his bike then. Is he still on? God, he is, and all.
Guess how fast I went? 14 miles per hour.
Yeah, hold on, I still put him on eco. I go like 20. Right, where do you want a bike now? I'm gonna end the video, so guys, new content on bikes coming out now, I guess. Bread.